afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching. It's morning where I am now, Saturday morning. As you can see, I have a container on. Just going to load a couple of containers for Monday. I'm probably getting a load of my tank afterwards. And it's just a kind of misty, cool morning. It's not too bad out there. A lot of dew on the side of the lorry and all the dust. You can see all the dirt just running down on there, you know. We give her a quick wash later on. That's the story for now. Pick you up in the port maybe, yeah? Southbound here now on the M1. I'm just going to cross the estuary here. Some mornings it was lovely crossing the estuary as the sun was rising. But it's a bit misty this morning, so we're not going to just get that loveliness yet. Maybe on the next one we might get it. Yeah, heading into Dublin here. Got 2 containers and then probably load the tank. And straightforward enough now for a Saturday. All going well, should be no bother. In recent times there, I've just noticed on my YouTube here now, getting a few new followers lately, and thanks very much to all the followers. Slowly building up, we're getting there, and I hope you're all enjoying what I put up. Some people leave a lot of good comments, a lot of good feedback. Some people like watching just the driving, recording just the driving along. Others want to see what you're actually doing, what kind of work you're at and how things work, and so just trying to do a mixture of stuff. Presenting in particular you'd like to see, let me know, I will try. And thanks very much for all the following and likes and comments so far, and we'll see how far we get with this, yeah? Right, carry on for now. We'll see you in the park maybe, have a look around without getting in trouble. Right now. Busy in here for Saturday morning. Didn't open till 8 o'clock this morning. That's the new thing on a Saturday in here. Bit of a queue, but sure. Should get through it quick enough. Get out here and open the twist locks while we're in the queue. I have the trailer ready for the container to come off. Basically, you pull up here and you scan a barcode on your phone. Put the container on your phone. Scan the barcode, they tell you where to go with it. We're bringing an empty in, so more than likely it's going to be E75, which is the empties area. Or you might say ship side, and they'll lift it off on the ship side and put it directly onto a boat. Ship side 37. This fella's going to take it off you instead. You want it, yeah? it off you direct, put it onto the ship. But he took it instead. That's no bother. Always just watch there's nothing over your head when you're passing these cranes. We're busy loading ships. 3 cranes are working here this morning. We're busy loading ships. You always be coming in here and you're like going to hit the box off, whether it be empty or full, and you're like, oh, did I open all the twist locks, you know? As always in Dublin Port, just watch your speed. 40 kilometers per hour. The dudes will be out with the little hair dryers checking. Not that you want to be going much faster than 40, you know, the rolls and bits. The old railway track. E40, that's what I'm looking for. That's your numbers on the ground. Basically, you'll see a lot of numbers in between the length of the container. So 40 is in the middle of the container, as you can see there. You can probably see there 40 in the middle. So that's my location. That's not my container now on the right, but there's a lot of containers in that stack. But he'll know what he's looking for. And just line her up and ready to go. What's handy now when you're in the container terminal is to have the registration number of your truck on the roof and a sticker or whatever. So at least when the crane man comes over your head, he knows it's you. Anyway, here he comes. Back to you in a little bit. See, they're back using the doubles in here. 2 trailers in the back of the shunter. Haven't seen them being used in here in ages. When they first opened this place, they had 3 trailers in them yokes, like, which was grand, but I think it was just space was an issue. It's got a lot bigger since this place. Now when he puts that container on you can only close 2 of your twist locks on your own side, you can't do the other side. So you just park in this little area here and do your twist locks and any other checks you want to do. That's the way it should be every day. It's grand on a Saturday in fairness. So from the time I got to that first terminal, got the empty off, drove around to here, 30 few minutes of a drive, in, got the full one on, about 40 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, it's grand. Probably would have done it a little bit quicker even, you know, if there was no queue in the first place. Only a small queue anyway. Saturdays are grand now in fairness. No one wants to work on a Saturday, but in fairness now, it's alright most of the time when you are. We'll come back to you in a little while. Changes coming on this part tunnel here, the toll booths. I think they're going to do away with the toll booths altogether and it'll just be a drive through. You'll need to have your tag. Free flow, that's the word I'm looking for, free flow. Like the M50. Hello? Hello? You there? I'll put you on my head here. This could be a disaster, but yeah. Right. Parked there for hours, but anyway. Yeah, it is. I always check with the tank because nothing really to go by when you're reversing under the tank, you know. She'll drop a little bit more and we'll let the handbrake off. Just put it back up a little small bit. Poke test. Yeah. Always checking the handbrake. In case anybody was wondering why I had the auxiliary lights off on the last trailer, the reverse lights are a bit faulty. The reverse bleeper beeps with the indicators for some reason, I don't know. But anyway. Most of the time I do my legs first and then do the airlines, but when we tank I do the airlines first and then my legs because the trailer's always down on air, so you can hear it filling up there now. Order. Oh, it's still working. There's all doing. I got my tank loaded. I didn't get a chance to show it loading. Actually, sorry, now I was busy in there chatting to the lads. So I'm just back here now. I'm going to give it a quick rinse, literally a quick rinse. I know I say when I wash it before, a quick rinse is usually about 3 hours long, but I ain't doing 3 hours today. Just going to give it a quick rinse. I'll set the camera up and I'm just going to do the unit, not even doing the trailer, just the unit. Right, start that one again. Battery went flat. Yeah, we're okay here, yeah. We're recording. Yeah, just a quick wash, as I say. It's just too sunny, you know. You're constantly trying to keep the side of it cool, so the soap doesn't dry in, and do a bit, wash a bit, do a bit, wash a bit, you know. I'm not doing the tank. No, tank was done 2 weeks ago. It's pretty clean for now. It's probably rain Monday morning anyway. But at least look, the bad luck is off her. There wasn't really a bad luck on her, but the bad luck is off her. And she's gone for a test anyway. Monday or Tuesday we're going in for a test, so it'd be nice to have her clean for the old test, you know. Yep, that's it. Done and does it. Put the washer away. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, please, if you don't mind. And thanks for watching, and thanks for all the comments and everything else. And if I'm doing anything wrong, please do tell me. And if I'm doing anything right, please do tell me. Right, good luck now. Thanks very much. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.